Hello, class. All right, so we're jumping into chapter one, and chapter one goes over the nature of law and the sources of law. So, as you're reading through this chapter, so I'm just going to kind of highlight a couple topics that will help you focus your thoughts and be better prepared to answer the discussions and the assignments that you'll have. All right, so the nature of law. This is a very fun topic, so don't be frightened by thinking about this topic and posing yourself some questions, and also emailing me if you have any questions, especially if you want me to elaborate on any other topic with another video. But the nature of law is what all the great philosophers think about, and that is what's the purpose of law? What is law? And do we need laws? Are laws effective for the controlling of behavior? Is that the desirable thing to do? So it's a great philosophical question, in particular in societies, in governments. So, and it comes up in this fashion. Um, do we need laws to prevent murder? So, often when I ask that question to students, all the students first jump up and says yes, because we're thinking, well, laws are kind of designed to prevent murder. Well, the intriguing part of when you're contemplating this topic is that, well, maybe it does and maybe it doesn't. And and I can give you examples. For example, in the crime of passion of murder, right? And there's a heated altercation, and it ends up in a violent, combative situation. The person shoots somebody, and that person could be a significant other, a loved one. Never would have done such an act other than they were just in the heat of passion and of violence. And so, would a law have prevented that type of behavior? Right? And we can look at just history to answer that question, and we can find thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of circumstances where the law did not, in fact, change anything, that those murders, in fact, still happened. And those individuals probably resent the fact that that murder happened and probably would never, ever kill anybody else again in their entire life. So, do you need law to govern that type of conduct? Is law a good thing? Right? Now, the opposing side is, well, does law prevent murder? And often you'll hear the answer, yes. Why? Well, it prevents that person that really contemplates the consequences of getting caught, the consequences of spending the rest of your life in jail, or potentially the death penalty, the consequences of public shame, and so forth. So, in some circumstances, law does prevent murders where otherwise their morality would not stop them. So, clearly, laws can have a desired effect as well in these circumstances. So, very, very exciting and interesting topics to think about. So, as you go through, definitely ask those types of questions and look at it from that type of perspective. I'm going to end the video now. I'm going to continue the discussion on sources of law in my third video for today. I thought I could keep it to 2, but I talked too much, and we're already at 4 minutes. All right. I will post my third video for today in a few minutes. Thank you.